can do this.
Nothing ever truly dies. The universe wastes nothing. Everything
Yeah.
Let me believe you.
I feel it now.
Is that how it ends? You can't stop it?
It would come at a price.
This is a warning. We used to die here.
Who's that talking?
Steven, this buffalo is rage. Oh man, get it.
Right now, let's get him.
IQ is the first meter ever. Insulin adjustment. 6 if you qualify for a special offer on one IQ. Call 1-800-627-8113 now. Which
Advances in medical science have resulted in the world's first and only permanent solution to hair loss. You wash it, you cut it. Real, naturally growing hair. When it comes to hair, no one in the world has more experience. Natural and are affordable on nearly any budget. The entire process is explained in 3 seconds. So we'll find out more about this. Call 1-800-998-7459. That's 1-800-998-7459. Is keeping your floors clean and constant struggle? Now the Mint Automatic Floor Cleaner does the sweeping and mopping for you. Simply attach a wet or dry cleaning cloth to the Swiffer brand, then press run. Your sweeps up dirt, reduces pet hair and months through dry. Your floors are
Pressing a button I'm gone is wonderful.
Mint. Press all that up.
Wow.
The #1 coloration, skin tone, and a dark order proactive today to heal and help prevent future breakouts for only $19.95. And the amazing dark spot corrector.
Within the first week of using it, I could tell a difference on just the evenness of my skin tone and getting rid of those dark spots.
Wow.
To get the dark spot corrector and this great $82 value. Practicing a television program. It's got a channel that's called FX.
Wow.
On FX movie channel.
You will hydrate, you will train, and you will maintain a constant state of suspicious alertness.
On FX.